YouTubers, here we go again with a late night Friday Amazon Prime unboxing do, courtesy of EVILTO. Check them out, link will be down below, where you could get one of these, what is it called, Smart Outdoor Outlet, Amazon Alexa compatible, and Google Assistant. So here's the box. I already opened it, as you can see, and it's empty in there. And here's the device, what it looks like. I already got it plugged in. Really cool, waterproof, and voice command. And you're gonna want to download this app. It's called Smart Life. This one right there, you want to download. It'll come with a QR code for Google Play and the App Store for Apple. And here's all the features: waterproof IP44, voice control, scheduled timer, remote control through the phone, energy monitoring, overload protection. So a lot of cool stuff. And we're gonna open the app right here. I'm gonna have to log in, and I gotta update privacy. I'm gonna punch in my info. Alright, once you scan it, this is what it looks like, the smart home app. So I got already a few things hooked up. So we got plug, spare bedroom. You got add the device. You clicking up here, and I think it's called, let's see what's it called here. Outdoor outlet. Alright, let's try to look for it together. It has a lot of good use out of these smart things. Air cooler, door window, a lot of features. It's multiple. We need outdoor. See it. Check what it looks like. Kind of looks like. It's a light socket. Alright, let's see. Heater. Socket. Maybe it's try this one. Alright, gonna make sure it's blinking. So you want to go to the device next. Blue indicator light steady equals power on. Blue indicator light off equals power off. Long press on and off button for 5 seconds until red quickly flashes. Okay, let's take a walk over here to the wild side. Alright, turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four, 5. Oops. Let me put my password. Alright, it should pop up this. There's a blue. Looks like it's connecting, hopefully. I did this right. That'd be great. One-shot deal. So like I said, you could program it for your Christmas lights outside this year. Still got a few days for Halloween, so you could run something out. Garages, you could hook up TVs, radios, and stuff like that. Power tools. The cord is down here. Like I said, it is waterproof, IP44. So one socket. So there it goes. Hopefully it's working. It's flashing. It amazes me with this technology, though, they have out there now. It hook up your TV, stuff like that. Indoor, outdoor, I guess. But I think it's mainly more outdoor, so I don't know. It's up to you. But definitely give them a try. YouTuber's link will be down below, where you could get one at a low cost. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Let's see if this works. It's getting closer. It's almost there. It's like the New Year's Eve countdown. I just can't believe how fast this year went. It went by way too fast. There we go. It's going. Go, 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 go. Come on. Almost there. Come on, baby. You can do it. Please connect. Do it, do it. Oh no, I'll be right back. I'm gonna try it this way. It's going that way. But it's moving a lot faster. So I'm holding it in. Not sure if I'm supposed to, but we'll give it a try. Alrighty, we did it. We just did it. I just had to reset it. So if I ever give you problems like that, unplug it, plug it back in, and bada boom, it'll load up. You can change it or call it whatever you want. See. So there it is. Socket is off. Socket is on. And there's a blue light, meaning it's on. There's a timer you can set for your Christmas lights. Statistics. Holy moly, it tells. Oh wow. It tells all the stats of it. That's really cool. Switch. Turn it on. Oh. Off. On. Schedule. You can add a schedule to it. And then timer. That's awesome. So there it is right there. So I might call it something else once I know what it is. I'm gonna put to it, but it is easy to set up. Like I said, I'm getting used to these now, so to add it to Alexa. And there's Alexa. Hopefully it doesn't show nothing too important. So you got that. Here we go. There's all devices. And that shows what I have. Outdoor lights. Where are they? Here we go. Now that is on. I can call it edit name. Outdoor. Easy. So you can change it. Smart life. Connected. Awesome stuff. You guys might want to grab a couple for somebody for Christmas. Easy stocking stuffers. Not too big of a box. Great deal on them right now. Click on the link down below and check them out. So like I said, this you gotta say, Alexa, shut off outdoor light. And boom, she shut it off. Let's try it. Alexa, turn off outdoor.
Outdoor isn't responding.
Uh-oh.
Please check its network connection and power.
Oh, would you stop? Alright. Alexa, turn off outdoor light.
Outdoor isn't responding.
Oh,
Please check.
She is alright. See, it says it's on. I gotta reset my phone. But pretty much pretty cool. IP44 waterproof. Good stuff, YouTubers. Have a good night. Be safe and see ya.